much, guys. Got to drive around with us today. We did a performance over at Joy Elementary for the elementary kids over there. Great group, great group.
Thank you, Willie.
I'd like to ask one of the dance leaders to introduce the performers and a little bit about their group. So once they get set up, we'll have them introduce themselves. Yeah, just give them a warm welcome. A great bunch.
Good evening. Good evening. Much better. We are the Imarpigmiut dancers from Togiak. My name is Marjorie Frost. My maiden name is Yuraq. I'm originally from Bethel, but my dad was originally from Togiak, so as somebody put it, I'm going back to my roots. I'll just have the dancers quickly introduce themselves. So we'll start with Sunshine.
Hey, my name is Sunny Ichik. These guys like to call me Sunshine for some odd reason. It's been pretty fun around coming to Fairbanks and watching all these performers dance. And John Sutton.
Oh man, what do I have to be next? My name is John Sutton. Everybody calls me Coot.
Hi, I'm here to try, but these guys call me Buckle, and they're going to try saying they're going to call me Togiak. Now just keep on saying.
You should have, we were shopping at Walmart earlier, and you know, I was shopping, looking at the CDs, I was checking out the CDs. All of a sudden I hear over the intercom, Sunshine, baby girl, and Togiak, please meet your party at the exit. Togiak. Okay, Colin.
My name is Colin Anderson and my big name is Naomi.
We are lucky to have two of our former dancers that are currently attending the university here at Fairbanks, so we're very grateful that they could join us.
My aggressive name is Joel Forbes. Everyone here calls me Hi, I'm Aaron Frost.
My husband, Aaron. The first song we're going to do is, this song was given to us, or we're borrowed it, from Mary Huntington from Shushmara. She composed this song. Oh, baby girl, oh, I'm so sorry. This is our baby, my baby.
My name is Sunny. Should they call me Big? My name is Fox.
Sorry.